Director removal made easy with Filings Corner. Hello, and welcome to Filings Corner. Removing a director from a company is a sensitive and legally governed process under the Companies Act 2013. Whether it's due to resignation, disqualification, shareholder action, or misconduct, it's essential to follow the correct legal procedure to avoid future complications. At Filings Corner, our expert team ensures that the entire removal process is smooth, compliant, and legally sound, so your company can move forward with confidence. Common grounds for director removal. Voluntary resignation. The director submits a resignation letter to the board. The company must file Form DIR-12 with the ROC within 30 days. Once accepted, the director is no longer liable for future company actions. 2. Removal by shareholders, Section 169. Shareholders can remove a director by passing an ordinary resolution at a general meeting. The director must be given an opportunity to respond or present their case. Forms DIR-12 and MGT-14 must be filed with the ROC. 3. Disqualification, Section 164. A director may be disqualified and automatically removed if they fail to file financial statements for 2 consecutive years, default on statutory dues or tax payments, miss all board meetings for 12 months without leave, are declared insolvent or convicted of serious criminal offenses. 4. Violation of company policies or ethics. Directors may be removed if involved in fraud, bribery, or misuse of authority, conflict of interest or misconduct, violation of company's code of conduct or statutory obligations. 5. Failure to disclose interest, Section 184. Directors who fail to disclose their financial or personal interest in contracts with the company can face removal. 6. Legal and regulatory violations. Directors involved in violations of CB, tax laws, or other statutory frameworks may be removed by the company or through government directives. Step-by-step director removal process. Step 1. Board meeting. The board passes a resolution proposing the removal. Step 2. Send notice. Notify the shareholders and the concerned director about the upcoming meeting. Step 3. Shareholder approval, if required. Pass an ordinary resolution in a general meeting. Step 4. Filing with MCA form. DIR-12. Mandatory for all director resignations are removals. Form MGT-14. Needed for public companies or if articles are amended. Step 5. Update company records. Remove the director's name from the Register of Directors and update MCA records. Key MCA forms and deadlines. Form purpose. Due date. DIR-12 inform ROC about resignation, CHOC removal. Within 30 days, MGT-14. File board shareholder resolution, if needed. Within 30 days, DIR-11 filed by the resigning director, optional. Recommended for proof of resignation. Penalties for non-compliance. Delay in DIR-12 filing, R100 up to R5,000 wrongful removal. Penalty between R1,000 and R5,000. Violation of shareholder rights, legal disputes, injunctions, or tribunal action. Why choose Filings Corner? Legal compliance assistance. Every step aligned with the Companies Act. Document drafting, notices, resolutions, meeting minutes, and consent forms. MCA filing support. Accurate and timely submission of DIR-12, MGT-14, and more. Dispute advisory. Expert guidance on sensitive shareholder or legal matters. Quick turnaround. We handle everything so you can focus on running your business. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started today. Filings Corner. Trusted experts in corporate compliance.